we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, the 3 Kids books. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. We did get a slight pullback, and of course, that was blamed on news. We know how they put the narratives out there. We have moved up slightly, but we know that we're still not getting anything from Tether in order to pump big. We know JP Morgan is the one that actually gave us that $10,000 pump. We know what's going on, guys. Now, this article states that Bitcoin could break out to 45K within weeks. Is this correct? Yes. Why? That's right, JP Morgan. With open interest, they definitely can move us up there. But of course, guys, we have to make sure we're paying attention to the indicators because that's going to let us know everything. And also, guys, we still have those institutional outflows from Bitcoin. Do not forget, when it comes to JP Morgan, they're just betting on the price, just the big casino. So they don't care whether it goes up or down as long as there's volatility. Remember, we haven't had any volatility. As soon as JP Morgan come in, we get a 10, 20% swing in some of the actual cryptos. But guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, which just like I stated, we're still not getting anything from, and we have USDC. Now we have Crypto Derivatives Exchange, BitGet, to list USDC as collateral for margin trading. Also, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual Fed app. Plus, guys, we're going to start getting news from the Fed today and tomorrow. And you guys know I'm going to bring you updates on that. Now, also, guys, we have futures and options. Do not forget Bitcoin, micro, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So, guys, like I stated, we should have a small pullback, but open interest should be great now that JP Morgan is in the house. Now, getting over into the actual crypto news, guys, earlier this month, Swift announced Swift Go, basically low-cost cross-border payments network. Now, basically, 7 of the major banks are already live on Swift Go. So businesses and consumers can send payments quickly and securely around the world from their own bank account. Now, don't forget, Hinman deposition is also today with Ripple and the SEC lawsuit. And guys, we know this is nothing but a movie. But guys, of course, we get this article at the perfect time. So don't forget the narratives that are being played. We know this lawsuit is nothing but a way to bring in regulation. Also, the agenda around Binance also. And when it comes to SWIFT and the central banks, guys, we know the New World Order is not giving up power. They're going to have their own technology, whether they buy it from you or make their own. Now, we have Goldman Sachs files for a DeFi ETF. And the same products that are in the legacy market are moving over to tokenization. We know everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. So first it was Bitcoin, then it's Ethereum, now it's DeFi. Remember, DeFi is the new banking. Now we have Amazon says it has no plans to accept Bitcoin payments. And when that news came out, everybody blamed Amazon for the actual crypto dip. But guys, if it was about Bitcoin, the rest of the cryptos wouldn't be dipping either. So we know the whole crypto market is definitely manipulated. Now we have crypto satellite companies are competing to provide blockchain and space. Now we have companies SpaceChain, CryptoSat, and Blockstream. And guys, I always talk about Blockstream. Bitcoin Lightning. It sits behind the curtain just like Facebook DIM. With these satellites, guys, we know they have nodes on them. They'll be able to provide access to payments across the globe. I don't care whether you're sitting in a village. Now we have Kazakhstan to reportedly allow banks to process crypto purchases. Also, we have Aave to launch institutional DeFi platform Aave Arc within weeks. And these private liquidity pools allow these institutional investors to come in, play around with the technology, and then plus getting yield on the investment. So guys, the same exact legacy system that we have now is just tokenized. That's all. Now we have Yahoo Japan works with Line to launch NFT trading. And just like crypto is global, we definitely see NFTs, I don't care what country, is gaining traction. Now we have the Chicago Bulls team up with Shopify to launch NFT series again, guys. And then also we have Shopify is starting to allow its e-commerce customers to sell NFTs directly. So NFTs are definitely helping with adoption when it comes to cryptocurrency. And lastly, guys, we have India to use Ethereum's blockchain to verify diploma certificates. And when it comes to smart contracts, guys, this is very important. Because if you're looking at NFTs, you put a smart contract on it, you make it valid. You're looking at real estate the same way. Guys, it's definitely going to change everything that we do. Get your friends and family educated. So therefore, they can take advantage of the system and not allow the system to take advantage of them. Same way this current system is. They printed all this money, but people are still struggling because they don't understand finances. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. We have to get them re-educated. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. Where everybody's sitting at home, got that home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Team save the village. Part 2. King Yashu and Grandma Tay save New York. Long COVID Stories 3, Part 3. King Yashua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.